Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve delay on Picsart. To know how to fix or how to solve delay on Picsart app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to Picsart and you can click. After that you can click on force stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.